Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use built-in types to extend the functionality of your own custom classes. So for example, let's say you want to have a class which takes a list as initialization and it will suffix them with whether it's an even or odd number. So let's take a look at it. Class my list and what we need to know is that we have the get item, which is going to take the self and an index as an argument, and we want to make sure that our class is iterable. We can print it based on the indexes, pass it to join function and whatnot. So technically here is how we would do it. The super get item index gives us the value, and if the index modulo 2 is equal to 0, then what we would like to do is to prefix it with an even. Otherwise, prefix it with an odd. And now we can return with an f string the prefix and the value. Now if we go ahead and create the L variable from the good list, or rather my list, with the following values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, and print the L first element, print the L second element, and print the join L. Here is what will happen. It will not go as intended. So sequence expected string instance integer found. So basically it says to us that the join function is unable to handle the appropriate values, and what we need to do is, in order to fix it, is to import from the collections module the user list and make sure that our class inherits from there. And now if we go back, you will see that it magically starts working. We could like add some extra space here to have a better formatting, but the collections module allow you to extend your own classes. So don't use the built-in types, rather use the collections module. This is the takeaway from the video. See you in the next